Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BK Sports with Bonginkosi. Thembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Please help me grow this channel by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel. Danko. Hayi, amakhosi ajabulile. It's 1 foot now in the quarterfinals. Kushoda nje sithathe linye silifake bese yonke into iqondile. One thing I know for a fact ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will make it out of the group bese bangena kuma quarterfinals, because now the odds are not against Chiefs but they are for Chiefs ukuthi idlule. Why am I saying this? In the group we thought it was going to be difficult for Chiefs to advance, but no, Chiefs proved time and again. It's just in the kind of football that they are playing. It is not convincing. Yes, we won, but the way we played, if you are not serious about trying to improve our finishing, that is going to be the end of us. Kaizer Chiefs, there are few things that I've noticed about it that prevents them from being the team that wins games with big margin score. And we all are aware of them. The game versus Al Masry, it wasn't a difficult game. It was the repeat of the first leg where we lost, but this time we won. And it was a reverse fixture with a reverse scoreline 2-1 again. But one thing that I saw, that I believe, Guti, we always criticize the coaches for the mistakes of the players. I don't know if ever the players are not respecting the coaches or the coaches lack that authority to say, Guti, la khale sami isicathulo, because they are very relaxed, too complacent. Even if a player missed the chance, it doesn't worry him. It is like agafana mos. There were moments whereby you could see with the Kaizer Chiefs, they have a chance of scoring a third goal, a fourth goal. But it didn't matter to them. It was like already we have won the game, because it was difficult for Chiefs to score more than 1 goal in the start of the second half of the season. But the way we play, man. Yes, you can win a game, or complain, still lose a game, or complain because of Kaizer Chiefs. CAF Confederation vele, beautiful football is not required to idlale, but you need to play so that you can win games. But Kaizer Chiefs players proved me good. The problem is not the coaches, it's them. There's no sense of urgency, number one. We are on a counter-attack. There are only 2 players that are forward. Even if a player receives the ball, he's not lethal in front of the goal. Instead, balok bahlula ma 1v1. Bahlula ukufinish. Mori got an opportunity. Chabalala got an opportunity. Da Silva got an opportunity. We could have killed the game, but we want to make things difficult for ourselves. Why is that? That thing is unacceptable. Kuhle ukuthi uyilungise inkinga uyibona nanoma kuthiwa uwinile. Singafiki kuphela sesigxeka because the team lost. They play as if there's no direction. Let's play sobona phambili kwenzakalani. Lilepo was off, but the coaches didn't sub him, but decided ukumlinda up until lekugcineni bazomsub. I don't know, maybe their game plan revolves around him, because I believe Guti, when they play a long ball, especially Peterson, he's always looking for Lilepo so that he can flick the ball to Da Silva. Maybe that's the reason. Guti bangam keep it soon enough, but delay up until. Today, the way we played, even the players that you trust, they were not in the game. It's like they were lacking awareness. One thing I know for a fact, they are very complacent. That's one thing I realized with Chiefs players. My boy, first half cishe was cost. They are very casual on the ball. Abo Makati, you can see ukuthi already at the back of their head it was like, if you win this game, or we already won this game. But that thing won't help the club going forward, because if you continue playing like this, you won't get away with this performance every time. We saw with the Stellenbosch, and kusazoza amagame azoba nzima. We still have to face iZamalek, we still have to face Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, Sekhukhune United. So you can see ukuthi we might be happy ukuthi you are winning these games. And I was one of the people that were like, no, as long as we are winning, but we are not convincing. We are not convincing. It seems like even the games that we are winning, it's luck. If we converted those chances that we created, already we could have automatically qualified to the quarterfinal. But now it's down to the wire. Kubonakala sekuqoqwa on the last game. If Zesco United manage to draw with Zamalek, already Kaizer Chiefs are qualify. If Kaizer Chiefs get a draw, siyangena ngevosho. But the difficult part is that both these games are away for these southern countries, southern clubs, Zesco and Kaizer Chiefs. And we know how it is playing against North African clubs in their home turf. They won't make it easy for us. Kaizer Chiefs, they must go there to avoid defeat. Nothing more, nothing less. If we win, it's a bonus. A draw, it is something also that we can accept. I hope ukuthi the players themselves, they have to do self-introspection, because kuyotholakala kusolwa abantu each and every game ngema mistake kwabanye abantu. Ungenile uMayo awumbonanga nokuthi bhekangenile ukuyokwenzani, because as a striker you're not getting fit. Akwazi ukudlala ibhola. It was even difficult for him ukuthi amakhe bebazenzela nje abo Tekmund. Another thing esibulalayo is the reading of the game. Yabona, if Al Masry were aggressive enough, they could have had Kaizer Chiefs multiple times, especially with Tekmund. Tekmund was a problem child to the defense of Kaizer Chiefs. There are moments whereby when you see Eden McCarthy struggling to contain his mark, uModi must be there to help. But beyangabezwa boy two. Babathe bayazazi akabezwa because of what? Technical ability is very good. And he's always looking for a pass. He's always running. He's not a flat player. He's always on toes, aware of what is happening around him. If he needs to catch inside, he carries inside. But the good thing is that they've tried by all means to avoid creating a penalty. Defensively, we were shaky. It's unfortunate nje ukuthi Al Masry didn't get another goal, but it defense to being convinced. Left back and right back, Beknyiwa. They even decided, no, let's sub Solomons, because Solomons ngiyambonile kunalento ayithandayo, and most of the time he gets away with it, but in this game he couldn't. Nale goal labo loku equalizer, it was Solomons. Uyenze I think like 3 in this game. Ufuna uku-inverta phakathi neball. Uya la kugcwele khona kune crowd. Every time they dispossess him of the ball, the team now is left to defend again, to try to close spaces. And that team was very good, because the way we were defending, we were playing to their game plan, allowing them to go wide, put in crosses, which were difficult to deal with. Many teams, they saw, Kaizer Chiefs it is vulnerable. Kunika aerially is not that sound. Msimango angisayibali yakhe. Msimango has one weakness in him. He can't stand on the ground for for as long as possible until he sees that the opponent is about to commit. Instead, he commits first. That's why ama goals bawakora, because he lacks that thing. Makashaya slide ushaya slide ukuthi yiso rakusisa kangeni. Even that equalizer ujumpile laphana emva kweplayer bamshaya first man on the ball. If azange awe lapha, he could have got an opportunity to recover and close the angle for Tegmon, but he was already down. Bengekho into beyangayenza. So you see ukuthi everything that happens in natural, there's a root of it, but it's sifuna ukuyikha phambili. The chances that we miss is not because the team is incapable, but the players themselves, they are too relaxed. That's why even if when they miss, it's like kuyafana man, kuyafana. Uma uthe makaqeda ukungena, there was a moment whereby we could have played a quick 1-2 and score a goal. Beyangamile flat angamove. It was like yafana. That moment mode where beyafuna penalty, that situation that resulted into the goalkeeper of Al Masry being substituted, it was before that. But there's no sense of urgency in the Kaizer Chiefs players. It's like when they score a goal, they switch off, they just relax, they don't care. It's like they tell themselves, we're gonna defend. What happens if you even fail to defend? Simply means you won't be able to try to score another goal. Because if it wasn't for luck today, angabe sikhuluma enye indaba. But the good thing with also luck in football also plays a huge role, especially in days whereby you see ukuthi akuhlangana. We play against a team that is always pressing us in our own half, and that allows us to do what? To play in moments, but you don't want to do that. Even when we get an opportunity to counter attack, there's someone who's gonna do a regression ball, uzofuna ukujika pass a move. I don't know for in aphinda lose ibhola khona lapho kumele kumakwe futhi. I've noticed one thing about Flavio. Flavio understand ukuthi if I cannot score, someone else can score. That's why he even put in a plate with me, idla mode, because we know decision making mode is always poor. He's better makasiza as a defender, assisting defensive, but offensively he offers the Kaizer Chiefs lutho. So we understand ukuthi the way things are happening, ikhona i-root ye problem, but we always looking to ukuthi so criticize the co-coaches because kubo kuyayehlela. Umdu missed another 1v1, but the good thing is that he doesn't shy away from those opportunities. Uyoze ayithole moment la azokora khona. Now he has to understand ukuthi I've tried 3, ngamisa 3. If I see a goalkeeper coming out of the poles, there's no other option. I have to chip him. Unfortunately, lapana vele usebenzisa left and then right, so we couldn't control the ball very well. But kancane kancane uzogcina alitholile goal, and the more azolithola, confidence yakhe iyakhula. I'd say nje it's commendable to the coaches ukuthi bambuyise futhi bangambreak his spirit, and naye for not shying away ukuthi adlale and create those opportunities. uNdlovu played his heart out today. Ngimbone mazithi 86 ashayisa inye sprint adlula uSirena aqeda kungena. I was like, yeah, akuyanyiwa ke manje, kuyanyiwa. We have to understand one thing, ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs, as much as we like it, kunezinto abangazenzi kahle, and angeke sikubalekele lokho just because siyayithanda nesibona ama-wins. It is good maba-win, but kuyofika isikhathi la khona nalibhola labo balidlalayo lingabasebenzeli. Uzothola i-team edlala njengawe nayo ivele ibone ukuthi no, kusho ukuthi angeke kukorwane la, ama-draws esobhekana nawo ke lawo. I hope nisese kahle. Thank you for making it this far on the video. Ungakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe to the video. usho nawo umbono wakho ukuthi uyibone kanjani igame yanamhlanje, because this thing is worrying ukuthi we do create opportunities but at the end of the day we play as if we can't create opportunities. Kumele uhlale lovalweni lokuminyela ukuthi banga equalize while we could have made things easier for ourselves ukuthi sithole a comfortable win. They'd rather score 3 goals and then bapake ibhasi, but ulpaka ibhasi kuna 1 goal difference, you know ukuthi there's a mistake that can happen engathi cost. Hayi yanyiwa but akona sophuma kule group kumnyama kubofu. Danko.